Listen carefully. All the incompletions you have, all the patterns you have, is the wrong audio video recording happened in you. How many of you understand this? It is just a wrong audio video recording, wrong audio video confusion. Incompletions are nothing but wrong recording of visualization and verbalization. Now, I am going to create some of the most subtle, most powerful vibrations through the sacred sounds and enter into your zone, muscle memory, where you have recorded this wrong recordings. Please understand, all day to day your action related incompletions, like feeling tired, feeling chronic fatigue, headache, stomach pain, back pain, all this, indigestion, all this you record in your muscle memory. Your muscles have their own memory. The way you talk, way you fight, way you respond, all your action based patterns are recorded on your muscles. All your cognitions means how you feel about you. What do you think of you? What do you think of others? What do you think of the world? What do you think of God? What do you think about Guru? All those cognitions are recorded in your biomemory. Listen carefully. All the action-based patterns are in your muscle memory. All the being-based pattern, cognition-based patterns are in your biomemory. Now, I am going to create very subtle but very powerful mystical sounds called mantra and send them into your muscle memory and biomemory and delete all your incompletions. Whatever you call, even completion is incompletion only. It is. Because once the completion happens, Kundalini has to awaken. So now whatever you tried for last 4 days. But it's not that just by you trying it will be done completely. You did your best, now I will do the job. I will do the job. You yourself can also achieve it will be like you have got a toothpick. With the toothpick you are trying to move the whole Everest from one place to another place. Just 10 feet. When I do, it is like an earthquake. Simply the Everest moves 20 feet. So I am going to be doing it from inside you. Inside you. I will also be using some strong sounds to send these vibrations into your muscle memory and biomemory. When the Kundalini awakens, it raises like a snake and it brings tremendous ecstasy into the system. Such an ecstasy. You will be just overflowing with your whole body, as if your whole blood has become nectar. Your body, no more blood circulation, it is only nectar circulation. When they tested my brain when I fell into samadhi, the doctors said they were shocked. 600 times more dopamine was released into the system. Dopamine is the bliss chemical. I don't know how many of you are aware. If you're a doctor, you will be aware. Dopamine is the bliss chemical. The moment I closed my eyes to fall into samadhi, within 3.5 seconds, it took 3.5 seconds for the machine to record. They said not 600%, 600 times. The bliss chemicals were showered into the system. They were shocked. First of all, if they can even double the dopamine, the person will not have any pain in the life. They are doing research on doubling the dopamine level, especially during the chemo and after chemo and all, because so that the person will not have the suffering. They said doubling the dopamine itself is not possible medically. We are doing all the research. 600 times dopamine is being showered. I said that is what in Vedic tradition we called Amritadhara. When you enter into the restful awareness and samadhi, the nectar flows through the system. You feel as if the whole body is filled with nectar, not with blood. Now you will have at least a glimpse of it. Not just doubling, at least comfortably I can say 50 times more of the bliss chemistry will happen in your system now. I am telling very minimum comfortable. Easily it can go up to 100 times, but surely for sure it will raise up to 50 times. Maybe we will do some research on you guys also, and once I awaken the Kundalini, we can do some research and that can prove. Dopamine, heavy dopamine flow in the system takes away all the pains and makes you free from external pleasure. The need for external pleasure disappears. Because nothing can raise the dopamine even to the double, means 1 times more. And here something is making 600 times more. And the doctors also studied that my third eye zone, it lights up to the level where machine was not able to measure. We have a recorded statement by them officially under oath. Their whole research report they have presented. For some grand purpose, we wanted officially, they presented under oath itself. They are saying that the light emits from the third eye zone. All of us have the third eye zone inside the brain, the pineal gland zone. The machine was not able to capture the frequency of that light. It only says light and stops. It just goes to the graph goes to the peak and stops. They are not able to measure the quality of the light. Understand, always in Varanasi, Kalabhairava and Sadashiva, they always present themselves and make the process so beautiful. So you guys are going to experience now their presence. Sit straight. You don't have to concentrate or meditate, nothing. Just sit straight. And how you will sit sometime in the evenings and sipping a cup of coffee, tea, thinking whatever comes to the system. Nothing to think or concentrate or align. Nothing needs to be done. Just be. Sadashiva, Shiva, 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 Shiva. Shiva, 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 Shambhavi, 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 Kulakundalini, Devi, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up in all the bodies here. Sadashiva is calling, raise to the Sahasrara, bring tremendous completion in every body. Shiva, 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 Devi, Kulakundalini, Shiva, 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 Shambhavi, Atmapriye, Pranapriye, Parvati, Kulakundalini, Jaganmata, Mata, Jagadjanani, Amba, Devi, Gange, Annapurani, Jagadatri, Kashika Devi, Kalabhairava, Sadashiva. Shiva, 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 Jayanti, Mangala, Kali, Bhadrakali, Kapalini, Devi. Stretch the spine and raise to the Sahasrara in all the bodies here. Devi, raise to the Sahasrara. Sangaran அழைக்கின்றேன் சங்கரனாரோடு சந்ததம் லயித்திருக்க சங்கரி சகசிராரம் நோக்கி பொங்கிடு, சகசிராரத்தில் மலர்ந்திடு. Raise to the crown center Sahasrara. Shankari Shivayana. Shiva 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 Shiva
குளப்புவழியன்ன கவிடுபடுபத்தல் விளக்கு அழலுருவின் விசிவுரு பச்சை எய்யா இளஞ்சூர் செய்யோ நவ்வயிற்று ஐதுமயரொழுகி தோற்றம் போல கொல்லம் பொத்திய பொதியுரு போர்வை அணைவாளவன் கண் கண்டு அணைவாள
நாராயணா गरुड वाहना नारायणा गरुड वाहना नारायणा गरुड वाहना नारायणा गरुड वाहना नारायणा नित्यानन्दा नारायणा नित्यानन्दा
शिवोऽहं 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 शिव 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 शिव